name is Regan, and I am the director of the Nittany Bots camp. Well, we started the Nittany Bots camp. It was an idea that I came to Science U with, and they embraced it, and it's been a great camp for years.
My name is Alex, and I'm a curriculum mentor. They coded the bots after building them to do specific things that they wanted them to do, and then after the base model, a lot of the kids were excited to expand their builds or expand their codes to do more extraordinary things. They learned a lot about coding and robotics throughout the process, and it was really cool to watch what a lot of the kids learned.
The campers build Lego projects, but these Lego kits have motors and sensors. They also do some coding to make their projects do things. For example, we have this morning we made a gripping hand, and they had to program it so that the hand closed around an object and then release the object. Well, the dancing robot is the first project, so we'll start with a dance competition where they learn how to use coding to create movement. We want the dance robot to turn to the left and back, turn to the right and back, go straight forward and straight back, so that they'll see that each of those 6 movements is a separate line of code. And then we convert it into a race car where the cars have to drive 10 feet forward, make a 180-degree turn, and then head back to the finish line to try to show them how to turn what they want to do into something that programs can do. And then from there we turned it into a karate bot.
Campers love it, especially throughout this week. A lot of the campers were really excited. They were launching ideas at me, and I'd give them more challenges throughout the week. I love to see the creative aspects they add to some of the base model builds, and they add extra buttons, extra sensors, and just a lot of expansive ideas, and they're really excited about doing it.
It does plant a seed. It's an introductory course into coding. But just to see how mechanical movements are related to lines of code, I think is a great first step for getting into careers.
They really have to think about how to map out their scenarios with the blocks, and that launches into future, robotics and coding when it comes to, oh, now I have to build using raw materials and I have to type with coding just by typing. So it introduces the thought process as to how to do those things and use those systems, but at a more basic level. So it introduces the ideas and it gets them excited about it, for sure. I would just say I love working with the campers and seeing how they, get excited throughout the week and how they improve.